Hey everyone, it's Devon from Maniology team and, whoops, excuse me. For those of you who don't know, lemon difficult is when things just don't go according to plan. I'm gonna preview something, guys. You guys are gonna get to see a sneak peek of a new plate.
A few moments later.
And we're just gonna wipe away that inhibition layer. Oh, whoops. Oh, I have like butterfingers right now. And so if I want to change the color, all I have to do is take acetone. Oh. Again, but don't worry, we're gonna get through this and it's gonna be awesome.